Hi there, this is Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to show what I received. It's an unboxing video for Craspire.com, although the way they package, I unbox before I do the video. They wrap everything in bubble wrap and a bunch of layers of tape, and then it's in a plastic envelope with a bunch of layers of tape, so you don't need to watch me do all that. They are the company that does the wax seals. So the first thing that I got was I've been needing one of these little doodads. This is a little burner, so you put the tea light down here, and then you can set your spoon on here while the wax is melting. I've been needing one of those, but I was putting it off because I was trying to get more seals, and more wax pellets. So I got that. I got one of their marble coasters. This is going to work really nice for pouring the wax on. I like this gray swirl look. I got this really fun handle. I think that's really pretty. And then I got two different seals. So, let's see. I wanted to add to my seals. These are smaller, I believe, is why I chose these. So this one is a little envelope with some flowers coming out of it. These are a little bit smaller than all the other ones that I have. And they're sold singly, which I thought was fun. And then this is like a flower spray. And they should go on here. They do. So that's how those are going to work. So these are my items that I got from my latest box from Craspire.com, and I will be doing 2 videos upcoming showing projects I made with them. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.